First, we are going to determine the midpoint. Then determine point 1 by going from the center opening of the nostril. Determine point 3 by going from the outer edge of the nose to the outer edge of the eye. We got point 3. Now I am going to use the compass to determine point 2 and repeat this process on the other side. Next, I am going to use my pinky to determine point 1 negative, which is the bottom portion of the eyebrows. What I'm doing right now is checking her natural hair boundaries. In this case, the client has a lot of hair, so we want to keep her natural hair as much as possible. I usually connect point 2 and 3 first, following her brow bone. Always stretch skin properly while mapping the brows. Connect point 2 to 1 or 1 to 2 right above her natural hairline. Also, connect bottom point following the upper point contour. I think that every one of my students knows the lipstick applicator is one of my favorite tools when it comes to cleaning up and refining the boundary lines. Next, duplicate what we did from the other side. Now we are going to apply the pre-numb for 15 to 20 minutes. Using a Q-tip, gently wipe off the excess numb.